Oh shit. Seriously, normal time में when I want to grow my hair, it doesn't grow. Abhi I don't want it to grow fast. It's growing like crazy. Look at all this mess. What's up guys, kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. I know right now I'm looking like I didn't take a bath. That's right, I did not take a bath. Reason for that is, today I plan to cut my own hair. I hope it turns out well, because I'm not able to live with all. If you've been following me from a long time, you know that never my hair was this long. I mean, it was long here, but the sides mein I can't keep this, especially because I keep riding. When you wear a helmet and all, this is very irritating, so I try to crop away all the sides, which I'll be doing it today. Of course I can't ride a bike and all, but then I'm used to that haircut, so let me try it out. If it turns out good, otherwise I'll not be seen on the camera for a couple of days till I grow my hair back. Just kidding. I've seen a few videos on the internet. What you have to do is first comb your hair towards one side and then crop this part, but you have to be very careful. This is not a tutorial. Don't see this video and do it on your own. I can't guarantee anything. Once you're finished with one side, then comb to the other side and do this part. And piche ka, I think I'll take help from my dad or my wife. Let's see. Wish me luck. One more thing I forgot to tell you, you have to wet your hair, okay? So that it stays on one side without moving. So I've done it. Once I combed it properly, now I have to work on this area. Okay, and this is how it looks right now. Not perfect, obviously. I'm not a barber, but this is the best I could get. At least it looks a little bit decent than before. I'm not sure. Let's finish this and let's see the final result. Actually, I shut off the camera because this is giving me more tension. Okay, done with the haircut. I think it turned out pretty good, but I don't want to show it to you in this particular vlog. I'm really sorry about that. You have to wait. Next vlog, I'll show my hairstyle. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Just kidding. Here is it. Alright, moment of truth. This is how I look. I look fine. Actually, my dad was saying it's better than what the barber does. Do you guys think? And this was a little bit intentional. I went a little bit more deep because again and again I don't want to do all this, and we don't know when the lockdown is gonna open. For that reason I cut it a little bit extra. But one thing I have to tell you, sides and all, if you see it like this, it's all good, but Peaches say we couldn't do a great job, but still it is good actually. What do you guys think? What is the rating? I think I'll give it 8 out of 10. Now main thing, I have to go and show my wife how it looks. I hope she doesn't make fun of me. Main approval should come from your wife, who was once your girlfriend, who fell for you. As usual, she's busy at work. What do you think of my hairstyle?
Nice.
Rating out of 10?
7.
What is wrong in it?
But you also give such confused
You
ratings.
tell me
I'm your
honestly.
wife.
I'm a confused. You tell me.
I feel like being confused. Okay, 8.
8. Same rating I gave
2.
myself.
See, खुद को भी कम दिया.
8 because if Baba does it, पीछे थोड़ा I couldn't do it well. That's excellent. Wife liked it, which means कभी-कभी emergency में I can do a haircut as well. Alright, Shirman, you're super talented, multi-talented. You can cut your own hair. Anyways, coming to this lockdown situation, I told you in the beginning that there are two things. Like there are positives to this lockdown situation and even negatives. Negatives, everyone knows that is what everyone is going through. Like staying at home all the time is actually I thought it's fine, but after 7-8 days, maybe 10 days ke baad, it started like really irritating. I mean, how much time will you keep looking at the same wall, same chair, same table, same laptop, same phone? Really want to get out and nice. I'm looking at my videos, the Ladakh series, Sikkim series and all that, and I'm like, I really wanted to sit on the bike and start riding. Oh, that's become a luxury now. That's like a dream come true if that happens. As soon as they open the lockdown, trust me, I'm just getting out literally the next day, and not next day, but once I get a proper idea about the news and all that yeah, you can travel, there's no problem yet, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. That is the first negative, that you can't go out. The second thing is like you have to do your own stuff. Like if you had maids and all, no, they're not coming, so you have to do your own cleaning, you have to do your own cooking, all that we didn't have, so no issues with that. And mainly groceries and all that, it's not easy to get now. Previously I never even thought about what is at home, what groceries do you need at home, but this taught me a good lesson that acha, okay, ghar mein you need to have bananas, sometimes you have to get fruits. This kind of put a little bit of responsibility in me, I feel. That is a positive once again. Anyways, all those are the negatives. Now let's talk about the positive. This is more important right now in this kind of mental situation, because I'm literally feeling so depressed staying at home, yaar. So I'm sitting and thinking, what are the positives that happen to us? First thing, money, paisa. Basically, I'm not spending at all, except for the basics, essentials, groceries. Except for that, baby needs and all that, I am not spending for anything else. No car ka kharcha, no fuel expenses in that. Otherwise, at least 2-3,000 a month, full tank karana uska. That has stopped literally. I'm not taking out the car, which means maintenance on the car has gone down. Maintenance on the Tiger is literally zero since Kerala. No kharcha on Swiggy, Zomato, all this kind of stuff. And right now I'm feeling so happy because they're all banned. I'm not happy about them being banned, but because I'm following a nice diet, personally, my selfish reason, because I can't access those apps or order any junk food, no pizzas, no burgers, all that crap. I'm able to eat very clean and healthy ghar ka food, ghar ka workout, work from home, entertain from home, everything home, haircut from home. No movies, no shikar, no going out and eating, no restaurants. Pura sabko chutti. I mean, all this is temporary situation. It will hopefully be fine in a couple of weeks. Till then, we have to bear with this and look at the positives, okay? Even you people check it out once. How much did you spend except for the food and essentials you're getting? So that's it. I'll end this video here. Nothing like very interesting in this video except for this haircut I wanted to show you. I mean, ghar mein baith ke, this is what I was doing, so I thought I'll share it with you. Oh yes, once again, I did not forget about the Tiger deep cleaning. Today I thought I'll go and do that morning, but then I realized that I don't remember where did I put my bike shampoo and all that. Seriously, this is the main reason I did not do the video today. I'll find it today and maybe in next vlog I'll try to deep clean the Tiger. And yeah, seriously, you guys wanted to see me cleaning the Tiger? I don't know. No problem, I'll do that for you guys, and hit the like button and leave, okay? Leave as in you can stay on my channel, watch the other vlogs.